Now we're almost completed our butterfly. All we need to do is do a little bit of adjustment to his head to give him that little bit of look that he needs to actually be complete, because right now he's got this big triangle head, so we don't want that. What we want to do is we want to kind of fold this over like so. Let's look down here. Fold it over like so, so this has a small angle here. We're going to try to emulate that angle on the other side by folding it down like so. He's got a smaller head now. I'll flip him over. Kind of add a little bit down here, try to get this looking right. Fold it over. We don't want these points just hanging out there. There we go. Take these edges here, fold them onto the inside, like so. Take this other point, fold it over. Nope, it's not going to quite meet, so we'll just do it till it's even. And there we go, our little butterfly.